Hey, hope you're fine. In this video, I'm going to show how to create a interesting, eye-catching, and attractive post on LinkedIn. So first of all, you need to start the post. Click on here, and then when you copy and paste your content, suppose I am going to add a question: Can the website design establish me a credible and trustworthy therapist? So this will be the title, and if I make it bold, control B, and then it is not going to be bold in here. Suppose I'm going to copy the bold text in here and then go to paste here. It is showing bold in here, but when I publish that, it will not be bold. It will be okay. Let's publish, and it will be the simple text, right? So we need to make it bold and attractive. For the bold text, we are using a third-party tools like linkedinmakeover.com. This is a website where they are offering to make your text. So I'm going to LinkedIn text format tools, their tools, and then paste my title in here. Can website design. So this is the bold title. I'm just copy and then paste in my post, and it will be post after the published it will be bold. Okay, so this one, just enter the title in here, that attractive for your client, that main title, and then click here. Now enter the post. How I am just copy the post, total post that I have already written by AI, and here's you can see this is not a good readable post, so we need to improve the readability. So this is the first line answer, just absolutely, and here's how. Okay, now this should be the heading format or bold format. So just copy and then paste professional design, and then now I can make the point as a check emoji. I just search on Google and then find the emoji, just paste before the point. Okay, just here's the 2 point only, so I just not going to change anything. That's fine maybe. And this should be the bold again, content that builds trust. Okay, and then now I can make the point as check mark, keep a space, to content that builds trust. So you should make a content that build your trust. So if you keep a testimonial, it will be it will be build your trust, of course. And if you use your personal photo, that will be increase your trust. Okay, so that was the 4 point to create build or trust. Okay, and then here is the additional consideration option. We're just going to make it again bold, then it should be the mobile friendly design. Mention, we just recommend you, of course, the mobile friendly design. Your website can become a valuable tool for showing your expertise, building trust, attractive potential clients. Here are some additional tips. So some additional tips: personality, high quality image, testimonial and reviews. This already we have added, so we are not going to add it again. Remember, your website a first impression by prioritizing user friendly design. You can create a website that established your trusted Okay, so that was the post for we have created, and now it's very interesting and attractive than the previous post. Okay, so we can add, now we need to add hashtag. We just research some hashtag. So we're going to add talking about therapist. So therapist, we are adding hashtag that the related the post therapist secretary mental health website. Yes, I can write more hashtag that are relevant to my post and that have popularity. So that kind of that kind of hashtag will increase the impression to my post. Okay, now we are going to create image. We are using Canva. So go to canva.com and create your image. I'm going to Canva. Now create a search here about the LinkedIn post. Just click on social media, and then you will see option for LinkedIn. Click on LinkedIn and LinkedIn post. Create blank, and then you will get some suggestion. So I can write the title in here, and I'll get more template. I just edit therapist. Okay, just write the therapist. Yes, we just already got some template about mental health therapist. Just getting choose the one. Okay, I am just going to choose one that that would be nice for now. You can choose, it will take more time, so I am just going to choose this one. World Health Day 7th career will become. Okay, we can change the font style. Click on the text and change it, make it Roboto or any other, whatever I like. Pins text style. By your website. Okay, so we are going to use this text right now, and here we're just going to change the color to make it more visible. So this will be fine. Just I am just going to show you. That's why I'm just going to create it faster, so the image quality should be more nice. This is okay for now. Share and then download the image as a PNG version, and now upload your image in here. Yes, add the alternative text. Okay, you can add after the research, and then now make it just post. Okay, so if you want, you can make your offer, you can post in any other group. So I am not going to post any other anywhere. So this is this was the option to make it looks professional and attractive, so someone can easily read your article or written that you have written for your audience. So this will be a good option. So I hope you understood that how can you create a nice post on LinkedIn, and this will be helpful for you. Maybe if you help, then support me. Thank you.